What is the best way to make money online in 2019? Today, we have a very good friend, Kevin David, multi-millionaire, over $10 million in just 18 months. And he's gonna show you exactly what is the best way to make money online in 2019. So if you wanna learn, do not go anywhere. What is up? My name is Josue Pena with my friend Kevin David, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. And today, we're all talking about the best way to make money online in 2019. And before we get into that, I wanted to just acknowledge and congratulate this guy to make over $10 million in just 18 months, dude. It is absolutely insane, especially when you think about the fact that a six-figure salary, which is $100,000, is you will literally need, what is it?
100 years.
100 years to make $10 million, making 100 G's a year, which is a lot of money. Okay, like don't get me wrong, that's a lot of money. But let's get right into the value, because people don't care about you, what results you got. They don't care about the $1 million I made, which is like tiny bit compared to yours. They care about what they can do for themselves. So tell us, what is the best way to make money online in 2019?
Yeah, so I mean, there's a lot of different ways you can make money, right? Making money is actually pretty easy to do, and like if you're watching and it's hard for you right now, like trust me, it gets easier. But you know, the interesting part about becoming an entrepreneur and starting to get more successful and things like that is realizing that there's so many ways to make money. Like you can make money as like delivering papers, working at McDonald's. You could sell on e-commerce, on Shopify, Amazon, Facebook. There's all these different things. What's most important for me is figuring out what's the best way to make money. And the best way to make money, right, and to me, means the most automated, right, that requires the least manual amount of your time. So you can do the things you want, travel, enjoy yourself, go to the beach, play with your dogs, whatever, right? And so the best business model in 2019 is one that allows you not only financial freedom, but time freedom. And so for me, right, what I did was create information products, right? Information literally is a $300 billion a year industry. It's massive, right? Millions and millions of dollars are spent every single day on information products and things like that. And so, you know, what we did was we actually created courses, right? Helping people to get from A to Z, making money on the internet, right? But there's people who make courses on health. There's people who make courses on relationships. There's people who make courses on everything. I have a friend who made $1 million teaching people how to jump higher. Think about that for a second, right? Like I know people who made piano courses, like all these different things you wouldn't even think about.
The handstand guy you were telling me, right?
Yeah, we have a student in DCS that made $15,000 in 2 days selling a course on how to do a handstand.
What?
Like that's crazy, right?
Yeah.
But the world is so big. There's so many people that, you know, if you're teaching something that's not just like ridiculous, then there's people who want to learn, right? And there's people who are willing to pay to learn from somebody who can expedite their process, right? Who can get them from A to Z faster. And so, you know, the example that I like to give is real estate. Yeah. You could do real estate and invest in real estate, and it's going to cost you a bunch of money up front, right? You're going to have to hire workers, construction. There's a bunch of upfront money that's required. All of these things, right? And then the market could go down. You could lose money. There could be like leaks in the plumbing. There's all this risk, right? Or you could teach how to do real estate. There's no risk, right? There's no capital up front. You don't have to invest any money to get started. All you need is just like your phone to record or your computer. Yeah. And the scale that you can actually take it is infinitely higher. You can, you know, sell 1 million copies of a course and you never stock out, right? You can advertise and put $1 into ads and get $2 out, or $1,000 into ads and get $2,000 out if you know what you're doing, right? So it's just all these positives and no negatives. And so, you know, that's what we did in 2019 to really kind of take things to the next level.
Yeah, and I think it also helps a lot more when it comes to like, everybody knows that you need a mentor. Like, if you want to go from A to B, you can either try to figure out myself, which I tried to do 4 or 5 years ago without having 0 results, and then I got a mentor and I actually got results. So everybody knows you need a mentor to actually get started, actually have success faster. And of course, in my opinion, is just leveraging information to actually help and serve people in a more and more scalable way than just like one-on-one coaching will be then the next step further down, if you want to call it, when it comes to teaching.
Yeah.
So you're literally just a teacher, but instead of just being underpaid like a lot of high school teachers, you're actually making millions of dollars. Well,
cool. I mean, the restraints with teaching one-on-one is you only have so much time.
Yeah, time versus money.
Yeah, and so like by leveraging a digital model, like with videos, like you can play a video 1 million times and it doesn't take any more of my time. Yep. So it's basically just consulting, except like the ultra efficient version of it.
Yep, exactly. So tell me, what would then, for example, somebody here watching who thinks they're not an expert, or like they're just getting started, they're like watching here and they're like, I want to make money online, I want to make my own course or a digital product. What would then be your advice to actually have success like you have? Look, so just to give an example, right? I have a service-based business, and now I'm focusing more on the info side of things because I've obviously proven the concept, proven the model. Then actually want people, people want to learn that, so that will keep going into the teacher role a lot harder. But what would you say, for example, somebody watching, how can they get started? What is like the step-by-step procedure to actually get into that?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people they say, Kevin, I'm not an expert at anything. Like, what could I make a course about? I don't have anything to make a course about, right? But the thing is, you don't have to be the best in the world. You just have to be a couple steps farther ahead than the people that you're helping, right? And if your help is worth more than the cost of your course, then people are gonna buy it, right? It's like very simple, but people have this self-doubt, which is what holds them back. But like, think about it like this. Who is driving the Lamborghinis? I know that sounds stupid, but it's like the course creators are driving the Lamborghinis, right? Look at where the money's actually flowing. Like, use your brain. Don't listen to what people are saying. Look at what they're doing. Like Tai Lopez, right? He's not investing in real estate. He's selling you a course on investing in real estate. That's why he says it's the best option, right? But who's actually making the most money? The course creators. And so, I'm trying to like make people really understand like honest marketing for a change, right? Like literally don't listen to what people are saying. Look at what they're doing. I spend all my time making courses. Why? Because it's the most profitable thing. So if you want to get started, right, all you have to do is figure out something to make a course about, right? The 3 evergreen topics: health, wealth, relationships. They always work. People are always going to want to learn about them, right? Choose something like that. Start building a following. The best way in the world is, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and start getting people interested. Give away value for free. And then, all you have to do is just build a couple quick funnels, get up some paid ads, and watch the money roll in.
Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella, I make it right, I make it.
That's pretty cool. And what I say, for example, when it comes to the 3 evergreen niches, I always say like go 3 levels deep. So for example, just saying like wealth, that doesn't make any sense. Like, or fitness, that doesn't make sense. Like fitness for men who want to work out at home. Like I always tell that's a more niche specific. But I love that. And again, I'd just like to expand a little bit more when it comes to like just see what people are doing. People are like, oh, but like that's scamming. Like, and I always hear this all the freaking time.
Yeah, of
it's
course.
like, wait. So you can sell real estate, or you can sell a course on how to sell real estate, but you're a scammer because you're selling a course on how to sell real estate. But at the end of the day, if you are a real expert, not just like some BS, just you read a book and then you think of an expert. No, like you know your stuff when it comes to real estate. You actually know how to invest in it. Then you're selling it and teaching people how to do it is good.
Right.
And you're actually helping and serving them. It will be a disservice for you not to do it, because then you will have all the not gurus, the actual people who not know crap, actually teaching it, and they're making the money and scamming people, and it's your fault because you're not doing your job to teach them.
And I had 3 guys come up to me just at this event that we're at Funnel Hacking Live, right? And they went from $0 to $90,000 a month on Amazon because of my course.
That is freaking
like
awesome.
If I was just selling on Amazon, I would never be able to help people like that. I would never be able to change people's lives. And so, obviously the money is important, but really what's most important is actually like adding value, changing lives, really finding fulfillment and impacting other people in a positive way.
Yeah, of course. Like right now, like you can like retire for the rest of your life, not do anything else, and you just still have plenty of money to live on. Like, you live like 100 G's a year for like 100 years with $100,000. That is plenty of money right there, right? But like right now, it's more about impact rather than income.
Absolutely.
So like again, it all comes down to this exact same thing. I cannot like think like in my head like $1 million worth of handstands, or like what is jumping higher. Okay, like you're a bunny now, like that's just crazy. So if you want to find out, okay, like if people want to find out a little bit more, maybe they want to take maybe some training or free training, whatever it is that you have to actually get like, again, you build it yourself. You just, again, the proof is in the pudding. You've done it 3 times yourself. You've helped me as well. I've done like $500,000 in my own program without even focusing on it. I know you hate me for that, but now we're doing that, right? But you've done it 3 times yourself, multiple millions of dollars, and every single one, and a ton of other students doing the exactly the same thing with their own courses in multiple niches. Like, what would you say are the craziest niches that you've seen, like in your students? Apart from like the jumping higher thing.
How to do a handstand is one of the craziest, but I mean, people have SEO courses in our program.
And the relationship one, I think, like how to pick up girls and whatnot.
Relationships, how to talk to women, right? We have somebody teaching parents how to raise entrepreneurs. Like we have all these different, like, you know.
I believe, like, I yesterday heard one like about astrology.
Astrology, yeah. Astrology courses are huge. Meditation, huge.
Yeah.
All right, there's so many people who want to learn. All you have to do is take the first step. And if you guys are interested, we're going to have a free training down here in the description where we're going to teach you more than we could possibly fit into this one short YouTube video. So, you know, my advice to you would be look at the people that you think are successful, people that, you know, have things that you want, and look at what they're actually spending their time doing, right? Skip to the end, right? Cut the line. Go out and start doing the most profitable thing that your mentors or that people that you think are successful are doing, and then emulate that and then create that success yourself.
Yeah, I agree. See what people do, not what people
say.
I love that. I love that. So again, people, click the link down below in the description. It will take you to complete free training. And by the way, don't go there if you do actually block like 1 or 2 hours, I would say, of your time, because then it will go to waste. Okay, like the reason why we didn't do it in this video, because it was actually 1 or 2 hours and it was too long for YouTube.
Right.
So just go to the link, make sure you block 1 or 2 hours before you actually go there, and start implementing. That's the most important part. Just don't hear us talking, go implement it, because that's, at the end of the day, the only thing that will drive results. Question of the day, we want to know what is your expertise and what you are going to make the course on. Just comment it down below in the comment section. We'll be responding to your comments and letting you know if we think it was a good idea. Maybe it falls into the 3 different niches: wealth, fitness, or health and fitness, and relationships. Just comment it down below and we would love to know. This has been Josue and Kevin with Online Sales, helping you grow and monetize your brand, business, and influence with social media and marketing. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below, that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.